Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Zubrev. On this video, I'm gonna show you 5 websites, 5 apps that you can use to make at least $25 an hour. All right, welcome back to my mobile office. On this channel, I show you guys how to make money from home, from the comfort of your own home, or from the car if you want, because I'm here to, close my pool for the season. It's been awesome summer, but it's getting chilly in my vacation house. So pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you how to make cash checks from using just your mobile phone or your iPad. And it's very simple, and you can make at least $25 an hour. Some of the sites pay up to $90 per user test, so really pay attention. And while you're paying attention, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos, and click on notification bell. So if you're ready, my friend, let's go. I'm going to show you the first site. I'm going to show you 5 sites. So let's go to the site number 1. All right, site number 1, numero uno, TryMyUI.com. So there's the whole industry in the world where you can actually get paid for testing different apps, different, new softwares, even on your mobile phone. The companies like, Walmart, companies like Best Buy, like Amazon, NBC, Bose, British Airways, Priceline.com, always release new features for their apps, and they need people like us to test those kind of new updates, new features. So you basically sign up for free. There's a free trial on this site. There's also a phone number you can call. You can talk to a live person. There's a phone number at the bottom, and it's a legitimate site. It's totally safe, and people getting paid to test new apps. So definitely sign up for this site and for all of the sites you're gonna see in this video, because the more sites you sign up for, obviously the more money you can make. So very simple site. Click here, get paid to test. There's a free trial, doesn't cost you anything. And let's go to site number 2, my friend. Site number 2, my friend, Userlytics. Man, I wish this kind of websites that were like 12 years ago when I was starting out. You can sign up for free, you can test different softwares, different websites, different applications, and get paid for your, basically what companies are looking for to find bugs, right? To find something that's not working on a website, and they're willing to pay you. So it's very simple. They're looking for different demographics, people from all walks of life, retired people, people that have jobs, people that are married, and obviously college students as well. So because for this website, I believe they take even 16 years old. So even if you are 16 years old, you can get paid directly via PayPal, my friend. So all you have to do is click on tester sign up. And as you can see, you can use even your mobile phone. You can use your iPhone or your Galaxy, your Android, and you can get paid directly to your PayPal. $5, $10, $15, $20. Some projects pay as much as $90, my friend. So definitely sign up for this site. You have to be at least 16 years old. And what a way, to make your parents proud, once you start making money online, right? So definitely check out this site. And we're going to go to site number 3. Are you getting excited, my friend? So if you're getting excited, give me a like on this video. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit that like button and hit the subscribe button right below the video. Have you done it? Thank you very much. And we're going to go to site number 3 that's going to show you how to make money just by testing apps. All right, site number 3, my friend, user testing, usertesting.com. And you can sign up right here, get paid to test. So you'll be working with companies like Facebook, companies like Expedia, eBay, Citrix, Walmart. And what basically is going to happen, you're going to download the app and a screen recorder. So companies are looking for feedback, right? What's not working, what could be improved. That's why they're allocating budget to pay, people like us to test new websites, new features of the websites, new apps, and so on and so forth. So you're going to click here, get paid to test. And you can earn up to $60 per test. Visit the website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts, your feedback, and get paid. So very simple process. Definitely sign up, and we're gonna go to site. We got 2 more sites for you, and obviously I'm gonna show you. Let me know if you're actually doing this. So a lot of people online, they just keep watching this kind of videos, but they never take action. So if you're gonna take action, just type in the comments, I'm in. I'm doing this, Alex, and we're gonna show you 2 more sites. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you even more other sites that pay me, huge commissions, commissions like $6,000, $2,000, $500, $1,500, $2,500 commissions, and over $10,000 commissions per one check. So let's go to site number 4. All right, site number 4 is called userfeel.com. Quick and easy user testing designed by UX researchers. So in order for you to sign up, you just basically navigate to a sign up form, but you'll be working with Fortune 500 companies, Office Depot, Lowe's, universities, Target, TripAdvisor, travel sites, so many other sites that are actually working with UserFeel. And very simple process. Like I said, let's go to one more site, and I'm gonna give you a couple more tips and tricks. All right, the site number 5, my friend, it's called AndRoll app. And this, I believe, works with desktop computers, it works with mobile phones, works with iPads, with any type of electronic internet device. So sign up is here, a very simple process, enroll now. And obviously you get paid with this site via PayPal as well. And this is exactly what people are looking for, big companies, people like us, to test this kind of, new features. They want feedback, they want to find bugs, and it's a lot cheaper for them to pay people like us instead of, enrolling full-time employees and pay them, benefits, health insurance, paid leave time and all that stuff. You're getting paid per task, and that's the future. That's the, next wave of companies, basically hiring people. So on my channel, I teach a lot of stuff, when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money from home, traveling, making money while you're flying, if you will, making money while you sleep. So definitely check out a couple of links below in my description. Below, I have a free course that actually teaches you how I made multiple 7 figures in this industry, in multiple companies, how I dominated leaderboards, how I crushed different, affiliate contests, and I got really cool prizes. And if this is something that really resonates with you, if you want to don't want to go traditional route, get a good job and work there for the next 40 years and get a golden watch, if you will, after 40 years, and maybe you'll enjoy your life after 40 years with whatever money you have left over. If that's not your route, I invite you, my friend, to check out the links below. I have multiple opportunities where I get paid, multiple commission checks coming into my life, bunch of checks, cash, direct deposits, PayPal payments, all that goodness that comes into our family life comes with this thing called affiliate marketing, where you don't need to stock the products, you don't need to do customer support. Heck, you with some of the other opportunities like Amazon or Shopify, you need to fly to China to find the suppliers and all that jazz. I don't teach you guys that stuff. I teach you simple, proven strategies, how to generate traffic and match the right traffic with the right offer online, so you can get paid at the comfort of your convenience, basically. So check out the links below, hit the subscribe button if you got value, comment below if you're gonna try the strategies, let me know. Just comment, I'm gonna try this. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take massive action, my friend, because nothing happens if you don't take action. See you in the next video.